morning, everybody. It's about 9 o'clock. Just got everything packed up and back to the trail. Camped down that old road bed, a little ways back in there, and was in Ladiga National Forest. But just a heads up, if you're doing this or you're doing the Pinhoti Trail and you're planning on camping at this campground and it's this time of year, they're closed. If you go down that forest road, just maybe 0.2 or so, awesome campsite back there. And yeah, slept great last night and woke up about, I don't know, 6 o'clock. It was pouring down rain, so I just went back to sleep. Yeah, we got about, I don't know, about 8.5 miles or so to get to Piedmont, and we're going to stay there tonight and tomorrow, because tonight is supposed to, all this rain is coming in, and then it's going to be all day rain tomorrow. Only thing that sucks, there isn't a hostel in town, so hopefully we can find a cheap hotel, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, it's okay, chill. It's okay. Glad y'all are coming on. It's okay. You're not very nice. Hey, quit. Hey, back up. Hey, go on. Well, the go home trick worked. What's up, everybody? So, made it to the hotel, and the dude running this place, he's he's one of the nicest hotel people, owners, or whatever I've ever met. He was just going on and on about how hikers and bikers are, most of his guests, and just how nice everyone seems to always be. It's pretty cool coming into a place that's just so hiker friendly. And it's just off the Pinhoti Trail, not the AT or anything like that. And this town, it just seems really outdoor kind of friendly, like hiker biker. Because you got that place, elevated grounds. I'll go back by there later on. And 6 miles from the Eastern Divide route, and he's on the Chief Laguna Trail. So hopefully later on this year, he's gonna have that hostel ready to go. But it's a coffee shop that has some really, really good coffee. And they have food and stuff there too. And they have this little section. It's not a lot of stuff, but it's like common stuff that we lose as bikers and hikers, or that we need on a bike. He's got like 2 little shelves completely full of, like, for bikes, tubes, chains, just stuff like that. And then hiking, he's got stoves, he's got water filters, he has his fuel. He's got all kinds of little awesome stuff in there. I mean, it's not a full-blown outfitter, but if you show up here, and you lost one of the commonly lost or messed up things, I guarantee you he's got it in there. What's up, everybody? I got back here just in time. Literally just sit down long enough to open that up. But yeah, it's been doing that off and on all day long. And now it's supposed to start, and not really, like, all day today it's just been little sporadic little things. But now you look at the radar, it's setting in for probably about 10-15 hours now. It's supposed to rain non-stop until about 2 o'clock, about 3 o'clock tomorrow. Absolutely crazy. If it ain't the cold weather, it's this weather. But the good thing is, after Saturday, starting Sunday, as far as we can see right now, they're calling for no kind of weather. So we might be able to push it and push it and push it. Because if we can do, yeah, Alabama is about I'll have about 300-ish miles. I think 300 to 400 left to get to Florida. If I can just get about a week and a half or so of good weather and not have to take any days off, I guarantee you we can make it Florida in that amount of time. Holy cow, it's gonna flood. And look at this parking lot. Like, it is coming down.
Right there around Bentbrook and back in towards River Chase, Bluff Park, and also to Midfield, Fairfield areas, Pleasant Grove, and towards Minor there. Some real heavy rain, and that's going to be crossing right over the city of Birmingham very soon. So within the next 15-20 minutes, some real heavy rainfall. Maplesville also, we have some heavy rain, some gusty winds. This is crossing very close to the Isabella area. If you're in Clanton, Jemison, first alert. This is Chilton County we're zoomed in on, and just showing you where some of the heaviest rain's located, and a pocket of heavier rain also we've been watching around Childersburg, Wilsonville, moving to the east. So these are some areas where we're seeing the lowest visibility at this time, but everybody's dealing with wet weather. You can see East Alabama, we're covered up as well. Now Cherokee County, Cedar Bluff, and Center, and our friends down through Piedmont, Jacksonville, quite a bit of rain happening, and there's a lot more on the way. Let's back this view out, and you can see back to the southwest. Look at all this rain.